Hey guys, this is Michelle from Million Dollar Dupes Money Mindset. This is part 4 of the vision board completion. The $1,000,000 vision board is completed. It's completed. You see the different things that I've done to it. Isn't it beautiful? I can't believe that I did it myself. It's an actual real vision board. It's not a piece of cardboard, nothing like that. We're going high end. So what I did differently, see this love right here? It has another hook on it. So neat. So I'll put that over this one, follow your heart. I still have that up. That's the big change. And we also have more butterflies. Added some more butterflies. That's new. The London telephone. That's new. Double decker bus ordered. Added some more butterflies. Some more love things there, but let me look at it from afar because and I have a check right here made out to myself for $1,000,000. I just took it down because it's a real check. But repeat after me. I'm so happy and so grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple sources on a consistent basis. I'm so happy and so grateful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities from multiple sources on a consistent basis.